fixing up an old golf course golf cart for really cheap, making it look as cool as possible. That's all coming up. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. We're going to take this old, tired golf cart that came from a local golf course and we're going to spend just a little bit of money. We're going to make it look way better. And to help me do that, we're going to use some of the products that you see here. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I bought all of these items with my own money. I'm going to show you installing them and the before and after so you can see how we can take a factory golf course spec golf cart and make it look way better with only a couple $100 invested. Join me for this ride. Now, this journey is going to be pretty simple. We're going to focus on a few key areas. That is wheels, steering wheel, and a little bit of safety, but it's more for looks than anything. So first off, let's look at the wheels. Now, for wheels, we have the factory golf cart wheels on here. These are just 8-inch wheels. There's a couple options that you have. Most of us are going to want to jump straight to the rims. You know, something like this. Now, these things are beautiful. In fact, let me go over here. Look at those wheels. Those wheels, they're rolling away on me. Those wheels would look awesome on this golf cart. But today, the scope of this video is cheap upgrades. These wheels are going to set you back between $600 to $1,000. We do put these on a different golf cart in a different video, but I know you already have tons of questions. Number one, how on earth are you going to make a 14-inch wheel fit on, thanks Bentley, fit on a standard easy-go golf cart? Well, they don't fit. At least that's what they say. I don't believe them. So in a different video, we're going to actually test fit these wheels and see how well they fit on a factory non-lift golf cart. It's a different video for a different day. These, I'm super excited about those, so be sure to check out that video. And as you guys can see, we actually have a ton of other golf cart accessories to do our complete super duper golf cart makeover, but different video. So what do you do to fix up these? How do you make those look better? This is it right here with some SS wheel cover hubcaps. Yes, these things are very, very inexpensive. So inexpensive, in fact, that the box just falls apart and they fall right out. But let's get one of these open here. There you go. Who doesn't love a hubcap that says SS on it? That just makes things look better. So let's do a quick hubcap swap on these wheels. Out with the old, in with the new. And there we go. The new hubcap is on there just like that. Now, the cool thing about these hubcaps, first of all, you saw before, now you can see after, is these actually overlap slightly. So they're a little bit bigger size than the standard ones, which make the wheels look like you've got almost like a 10-inch rim on there without having to buy a 10-inch rim. These do come in chrome or black. And I thought I bought chrome, but I guess I got black. So we'll swap all four real quick, and then we'll jump to the next mod. Now that the hubcaps are on, we're going to move on to the next mod, which is a little bit harder. Changing hubcaps, super easy. If you only want to spend about 50 bucks, you can stop right here. Your cart already looks so much better. But if you wanted to feel better, this is where these guys come in. Now, these are steering wheels. We've got a couple different options to choose from today. So there's this one, which is carbon fiber, pretty nice. Or this one, which is the flat D style. We got the silver on this one, which also looks really nice. They're all pretty much generic steering wheels. They've got little caps on them that are swappable. So that can go over here. This one's got a carbon fiber ring. They've got horns that you can swap and all of that. So for me, I kind of like this one. I'm thinking this is the sporty look we're going for. So we're going to pop this one on. Now, these do not just pop right on. I'll show you here. They don't just go right on here. You actually need a special hub adapter to make this work. And that's hopefully what's right inside here, because that's what I bought. So better be what it is. And there we go. Now, this one is made specifically for this brand and style of golf cart. If you have a different golf cart, you'll need a different adapter. I will put a link in the description to all of the adapters. Interestingly enough, this adapter is actually as much or more expensive than the steering wheel. So this combo is going to set you back about $70 for both. It can be a little bit more, up to $100, depending on which one you get. So I'm going to swap the steering wheel, and I'm going to show you a few tricks how to do that. Now, the first thing we need to do is pop off this front cover here. And to do that, we're going to come in the back, and there's a Phillips head screws there. So we're just going to undo the Phillips head screws and then pop that off. Now with those top two screws off, this just pulls off like that. You want to get a little bit aggressive with it. There's some tabs that hold the bottom on. That will expose this nut, which we need to undo next. Now I'm using a 15mm deep socket and a breaker bar. It might be a little tight, and some people report that these are really tight, but other people say that they're nothing at all. Mine was a little tight to start with. I'm going to put that right there, we don't lose it. Now, these steering wheels do not like to come off. So I'm going to show you how I get it off. You can do it however you want, but this is my way. That's the way I do it. If you have a better way, go ahead and use that way, but this was pretty easy. Now this thing has the proper sized key and everything to go exactly how we want it, but it can go multiples of different ways on there, like that, or like that. And because the middle of mine got a horn in it, I want to make sure the wheels are straight and then try to get this set how I want it. There we go, like that. We're going to put that back on there like that. And then we want to just crank that back down using the tool that we already used. The wheels are going to want to turn while you're doing this. So what I would do is just turn and turn and turn until the wheels stop turning. And that'll hold this right where you need it. So you can really torque on it like that. Make sure that it's nice and tight. And then we can turn the wheels back somewhat straight. Make sure that that's lined up and down. Make sure our wheels are straight, which those ones kind of are. Needs an alignment, it looks like. Wonder if we go one more time, at least like that. I don't have a feeling that those wheels are going to be any straighter now. That one's now straight. That one's not. So this cart obviously has suffered some sort of a blow, but we can fix that with an alignment. So we're going to continue with putting that steering wheel on. And that is the finished steering wheel install. Obviously, we didn't hook the horn up, but it is there. You can push it if you want. It does come with the wiring that you can make the horn work, but this cart doesn't, well, I don't think it has a horn, so it doesn't matter. Now, we've spent about $150 on this cart so far, and if we want to, we could stop right there. So we've done the wheels, we've done the steering wheel, and it looks better already. But the number one thing that sets a golf cart from the golf course apart from the golf cart that's for your campsite, RV, lake property, whatever, well, it's inside this box right here. And we can open that up, and this is it. These are side mirrors for your golf cart. Now, side mirrors are a huge upgrade for a small cost. These are only about $20 to $30, and they add so much to your golf cart. So we're going to throw those on, because why not? Now, the eternal debate about side mirrors is, where do you mount them? Down here nice and low, or do you mount them up here? Now, personally, I like them up top because they're kind of out of my way, but I don't know if everybody likes them up top, and most people I see putting them down there. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to sit on the cart and hold them up and see which way I like better. Now, I ended up deciding to go with the low mount on these, and I have a couple reasons why. Mostly because when you're sitting here, and I'll show you, the natural place for people to want to check for mirrors is right about here. So it works within your natural line of sight there. And we've got the steering wheel on here, and this is it. So we've taken this cart as far as we want to go. There's a couple other things that I'm going to do off camera, and that's mostly, first of all, give it a bath, but also you can see most golf carts have stickers with a number on there, just like that. So we're going to peel that off, but also it's got this guy on here, which is the golf course name. So I'm going to get a heat gun and just peel that off, give this thing a good cleaning, and then this cart is ready for the lake. It's ready for the golf course if you want, because I still have all the golf cart accessories on the back here to use it exactly for that. But you can see this thing looks so sick. Now with the wheels, we get the much better look where it's the black on black on black. Black wheel, black carbon fiber, black everything. This cart does not look stock anymore. And the beauty of it is we spent less than $200 to do everything you saw here. And that's a small price to pay to get a custom cart. The next step that I would do is a custom paint job. If you want to know about custom paint jobs, you'll have to check our other video where we take one of these from a golf course golf cart to the most wild golf cart, but still on a budget. That's a different video. Check that out where we do a full paint job. You put those rims on that you saw and a lot of the mods that you already saw us do here, we're going to do on that one. But stay tuned for that video. If you've got questions, post in the comment down below. I'd love to answer those for you, fill in any info that maybe we missed. But also, if you saw this and you thought, hey, some of those mods are for me, I'll put links in the description where you can pick some of those up yourself as well. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video. We'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.